I'm in Microsoft Word 2021, and let's look at how we can go and make changes to our header and footer so we can make it either smaller or larger on our particular screen. So if I go to where it says header, under the Insert tab, I can go to Edit Header. And what that does is it brings up this new tab at the top and all these different options that show up. So you can see header from the top is 0.5 inches. Now I'm zoomed in, so it actually looks like much higher than half an inch, but that's okay. So if I go down to 3, 2, 1, 0, now we can see what it does is it doesn't necessarily change where the header starts. All it does is change where the text is going to start. So I'll just type in, "This is my text." And you can see it's all the way at the top. Now I can go like that, and you can see it moved down the screen. What if I want to go below that? Well, look at that. It pushes the header down with it. Now I'm going to go back up, and here you can see the header is going to stop in this particular location. We can also do the same with the footer at the bottom. So for instance, I'll click on Go to Footer, and you can see, once again, footer from the bottom. You can see the text is going to go up or down based on where it is I place it. And once again, I can push it up if I'd like to. So that is how you change the header and footer text position in Microsoft Word 2021.